Hi everyone, welcome to Tech Helpline. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to log into Walmart employee account. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. In order to log into your Walmart employee account, start off by opening up a web browser. In the web address bar at the top, type in the URL one.walmart.com and press enter on your keyboard. You'll end up in this official webpage of One Walmart, which looks like this. Go to the login link at the top right hand corner and give it a click. This will open up a login portal. Enter your user ID that is associated with your Walmart. And from the next drop down, choose your country or your region that you reside in. Now, from the location drop-down, select your location. You can choose between home office, store/club, pharmacy and optical, and DC. Choose any one option and click the sign in button beneath. That way, you'll be able to log in and get access to your Walmart employee account right from your computer without any kind of a delay. All you need to make sure is to enter your user ID correct and choose the correct location for yourself. That is how it can be done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.